Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Warning Man Abroad. Asim Bhardwaj once again with another episode of Singapore Lockdown 2021. And in this video, we are going to talk about what is the current prevailing situation in the country and what measures are being taken by the government of Singapore. And by the way, thank you for your love and response to previous two videos on Singapore Lockdown 2021. And if you're visiting this channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also push the notifications button and be the first one to receive these kind of travel updates through my channel. चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. The good news is that Singapore has shown significant reduction in the number of COVID cases they are receiving each day. Day by day, the cases are towards the downtrend. However, they are still unlikely to enter the phase 3 of the lockdown period because they have found Vietnamese variant of COVID. Now, the Vietnamese government or the Department of Epidemiology has still not registered that variant in the global registry. Now, what is global registry? That means where all the deadly infectious are recorded and declared the part of pandemic. Now, on the other hand, they are still fighting with the B1617 variant, which was actually found in India, and also now it has entered 50 countries. And they have also seen some clusters of COVID in one of the hospitals in Singapore and also other at the Changi Airport, which I also mentioned in my previous video. And the biggest challenge is that they're still not able to track unlinked cases of COVID in the country. Now, the government of Singapore is likely to provide some relaxations to the public after June 13th, but they will still not enter the phase 3 of the lockdown. तो अब हम बात करते हैं कि किस किस्म के कोविड के टेस्ट इस वक्त सिंगापुर में किए जा रहे हैं. There are variety of tests. To name a few, ART test, antigen test, which is very common. PCR test, which is again very common, we all know. But there are some which are still under the evaluation of the government of Singapore. For instance, saliva test, breath analyzer test, wastewater surveillance, and even they are using sniffer dogs. Say if you develop a serious health complication or you have developed some respiratory disorders and you visit a polyclinic for the test, then they will perform two types of tests. ART antigen test, because it can deliver results in a faster way, okay, within minutes. And it can enable them to quarantine you right then and there on the spot. Whereas PCR test will take about 1 to 2 days to deliver results. तो ये major difference है, इसलिए वो ART को अहमियत ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं. Or they are also, performing these shorter or cheaper tests because it can help them to do the routine checkups of the people everywhere. And they're targeting right now lorry bus drivers, okay, construction sites, more workplaces, hospital, nursing homes, and airports, seaports. These are the places being targeted. Now, they have also developed a Trace Together app which can help them to detect an infected person in public areas especially, and also quarantine the close contacts of the infected person. तो ये हैं measures जो कि सिंगापुर की गवर्नमेंट इस वक्त ले रही है और इस किस्म के वो लोग टेस्ट कर रहे हैं because they have lot of options now and they want to implement that as soon as possible because they are very effective and also they can reduce cost of these tests. Now, vaccination programs in Singapore are doing really well as compared to previous year. They have vaccinated health workers or frontline workers of age group 45 or above recently with first dose of COVID vaccine. Now, they are also planning to start vaccination program for people of age group 40 to 44. At the same time, currently they are running vaccination program for school children of age 12 or above, okay, and they are targeting for about 4 lakh or 400k of the total population. Apart from this, they will be targeting young adults of age group 39 or below. Also, they have performed really well in terms of catering the needs of senior citizens of age group 60 to 65 or above. and they have vaccinated them with first dose of COVID vaccine. This is a great achievement. Now 280,000 population is still left to be vaccinated. This is something a challenge for the government right now. Now the government of Singapore is also proposing people to book their appointments in advance for the vaccination. Now pregnant breastfeeding women can also be vaccinated. So this is the total scenario of the vaccination, which is going really well in the country. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you find this video useful, informative and insightful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up for my motivation. Now some of my viewers have asked that they want to visit Singapore during this time from India. So I'm going to make a separate video on how to travel to Singapore during this time of pandemic, whether that is possible for Indians right now or not. ठीक है, तो चलिए करते हैं अगली वीडियो में इस बारे में बात. And thank you once again for your response to my previous 2 video on Singapore lockdown. Until then, goodbye, take care of yourself. See you once again. Bye bye.